Ayun, good morning. Rides with the Cost, no? Location, Buena Vista Dos, General Trias, Cavite, no? Hosted by Team Damusak, no? Trike Philippines. So, shout out sa inyong lahat, tropang Damusak, no? Of course, anim yung beneficiary nila as usual. So, ang masaklap nito, namatay na yung isa. So, yun yung malungkot doon talaga. So, tara, atin tayo. So, hulog tayo ng sobre dito sa pa-charity ng Team Damusak Trike Philippines. Alright, so shout out sa lahat ng nakasabay. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay kayo hanggang gusto nyo. Saludo sa inyo lahat. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa venue, no? Kawawa yung charity nila, anim yung beneficiary. So namatay na yung isa, lima na lang yung natira, lima yung beneficiary nila. Boss, hey, shout out kay Sir Reynaldo Sernal, shout out. Ang aga niya dito, siya yung kauna-unahan, Sir Reynaldo. So si Mark gustong gusto sumama sa akin, kaya yun. This one?
Yeah, but the mic is in the back. I don't know how to go to check out.
Can you see the mic?
Oh yeah. This is yeah, the room under the
What's that? Okay. Okay.
Sometimes it's convenient.
Okay. Pumili si Mark ng tripod. 5,000 plus.
Yeah, with discount, right? No,
With discount. So yung normal price 7,000. So ano na lang siya, 5,000 plus. That's the microphone.
yeah, also 50% discount.
This one, put it on your
You just put in your phone.
Put on your phone. Okay.
Yeah, you put that on it.
Yeah. Ganda ng mic niya, karo.
It works perfectly, but I didn't try it because I forgot how to connect it. Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe. But
Ganda. Maganda,
yeah,
masarap.
it's a little bit heavy. Okay.
Yeah.
You can just if you put it on a table,
Ganun-ganun ang pinag. Pero kahit nagaganyan din ang kamay mo.
can you extend it?
No. No. This
Yeah,
one broke already. Broken. This one broke. Sira na. Broken already.
Yung nag-ano siya dong, parang dumi, parang
Stay lang.
nagbe-magnet.
Stay lang yan. Just focus on the...
Mas maganda sana yung umiikot din siya dong.
it's okay.
Kasi I have tripod. On the down siya na. Maybe around 1,000 pesos. Don't buy the iron, okay? Just buy the plastic.
Yeah, not only because
Because if you buy bakal, if you buy iron, very heavy.
your bike is
Tawa ko sa mga anak. Ma, ready na kami ma. May tent na kami ma. Bulisit kayo. Oo, excited na kayo dong. Kaya gusto nga nila sa mga tent-tent, ang mga ganyan-ganyan lugar. Hindi pa nakakita niya dito.
We will meet it in same as the first one.
Gusto niya stainless.
For the second year, you see, the original one, very light. So even if you're driving without that, it's still only that light at the end. What I want to do is normally side the panels go like this, like you here. The people fall in the back.
Oo, gusto ko like this lang, oh.
If I don't do the side light, I'm through without. That's why I want to make it out. So, I need maybe, yeah. I want to make it. I want everything in out. I need to find a guy who can hold the ideas and who can pick one. I can't pick well, but there we go. If make a starter, if you know what we gonna do, I made you two on this one, my on this one. And
Don't use PS1.
we must find a guy who
Don't use PS1.
if we do that, and he gave us a reasonable price for doing it because in the beginning it thought of us. But the luxury company for the degree of other bikes, we make a movie of them and we promote it. That's what we do, and we because we can maybe a little bit less because we have to spend.
Kami natira pa akong sticker dito, ang Riwoman sa Tarapoca. Konti na lang talaga to. So pamigay na natin to. Pamigay natin na tropa. Tropa tricycle to eh, Team Damusang. Pamigay na natin to. Bot na sa kanila yung video natin.
Kasi Arab TV.
Wala siya alam.
Si Arab TV wala. Nandiyan na si Pio sa Quezon City.
Konti na lang natira. Kutsoy oh. Yes, Kutsoy, shout out. Kutsoy, be the best. Shout out. Street talk. Shout out. Dahil lang ano. Yun oh. Bomba! Bomba! Uy, may kasamang bata. Sana all. Oh. Good morning. Pinatulog mo na yan. May best na rin siya. Oh. Good morning, boss. Good morning, boss. Morning. Bagsak. Yun oh. Ate. Morning. Happy birthday. Yun oh. Shout out. Oh, sayang. Huwag mo na pulutin. Marumi na. Marumi na. Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Yun oh. Ngiting tagumpay oh. Mga ngitian dyan. Yun oh. Team Street Talk. Shout out sa kanilang lahat. Dami na nila oh. Ito, street vlogger. Street vlogger. Ito, street foods.
Street jump. Street jump.
Uy, straight jump ka. Si Princess, oh, Princess. Si King, oh, tuwan-tuwa si King. Oh. King! Tuwan-tuwa ka, King. Tuwan-tuwa ka, King. Tuwan-tuwa ka, King. Tuwan-tuwa ka ba, King? Yun, oh. Nakadalawang lugaw ka, King. Ibay mo, King, ah. Wag. Wag. Kukunti lang yung ano dito, kukunti lang yung umaten kasi konti lang yung nasa tarpaulin eh. Konti lang yung invite. Oo, 6 yung beneficiary nila, bali yung pang-anim patay. So bali 5 yung buhay. 5 yung buhay, 1 yung patay. So 5 yung, pero alam ko 6 pa rin yung beneficiary nila eh. 6 pa rin yung beneficiary nila. Magati-hati yun doon sa may ipon, no, sa malilikom. Kung magkano yung may ipon sa charity rides for a cause na to, yun yung hati-hati nila. Yun. Ano yung beneficiary nila? Nakapila ron, nakapila. 6. Oh, let's go.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Team Ludas, Cavite. At tinatawag na po namin ang SRCC, Survivor Riders Club Community. Bigyan po tayo video. Okay, maraming salamat po sa SRCC, Survivor Riders Club Community. At tinatawagan na po kami si Reynaldo C. Sertal. Reynaldo C. Sertal.
Walang... Utong gali.
Balak mo nun.
Ano na pangalan? Ano iba? Isa.
Maraming salamat po. At tinatawagan po namin ang Pasinaya Elderly Youth Organization. Pasinaya Elderly Youth Organization.
Ito na yung sobre natin na yung ulog. Yan, oh. Nalaman niya na, oh. Ulog natin ito doon sa... Ulog natin doon sa box.
Tinatawagan po ang team Kamusa, Kamusa Kapyo Tulapa, Rambo Amati, Kamusa Binyang Kamusa. Ang susunod po natin ay Honda League Team Senior Series Team Champion. Honda League Team Senior Team Champion. Mayroon na po napunta. Okay, maraming salamat po. At ilabakan po namin ang dance ball ugat. Okay, maraming salamat po. At inatawagan po natin ang Toyo ladies. Toyo ladies. Toyo ladies. Okay, tingnan po kayo, Toyo ladies.
King, hai ka daw. King, hai ka daw.
Toyo Riders. At inatawagan po
Ano ka?
natin si Don Don Trinidad. Don Don Trinidad. Don Don Trinidad. Tingnan mo kayo. Okay, maraming salamat po. Don Don Trinidad. At inatawagan po namin ang Charles Angel. Charles Angel. Pin, the best luck.
Phil, toyo masi.
Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo, Pinabesya. At tinatawag po namin si Ricardo, maraming Ricardo, ito ba niya sa TV? Okay, maraming salamat po, Ricardo, maraming salamat. At tinatawag po namin si Kuya Manny.
Yan, mag-stop ulo ko. Oo. Kumukuha lang ako ng... Sabi ka na kay Tol niya, pag magaling niya, panikap ka mo siya. After charity, dito kami tumambay. Mama si Tangkad, si Tolerni, si Gats Motovlog, yung mag-asawa. Yun. Hey Mark! Eat my very simple kind of cooking, sinigang.
This is very good food.
Okay. Vlogger ka? Vlogger?
Dati.
Dating vlogger. Nagsawa na.
Bulalo.
No, not bulalo. Sinigang.
Okay, sinigang. It looks a little bit like bulalo.
You go to Tagaytay.